Ready to unlock the world of decentralized applications without downloading a single thing. In this video, we're diving into Remix Ethereum, your browser-based superpower for building on the blockchain. Remix is a complete integrated development environment, that lives right inside your web browser, making it incredibly accessible for anyone wanting to get started with Ethereum development. Think of it as your all-in-one toolkit for writing, compiling, and deploying smart contracts, the very heart of decentralized applications. Forget complicated setups and software installations. Remix allows you to write Solidity code, the language most commonly used for Ethereum smart contracts, compile it, and then deploy it, all within the same interface. Remix's intuitive design and user-friendly interface makes it easy to write code. Even if you're a beginner, the built-in compiler checks for errors, helping you catch mistakes early on. And when you're ready, you can deploy your smart contracts to different environments, whether it's a test network for experimentation or the main Ethereum network for real-world use. Remix truly democratizes access to blockchain development, providing a powerful platform for creating innovative decentralized applications. So start exploring Remix today and bring your blockchain ideas to life.